Tired of losing money and time on disorganized projects? Let's unlock Everhour, the time tracking and project management tool that will transform how you work. First, tracking time is super simple. You can use the web timer right within Everhour. Just click Start Timer when you begin a task and stop when you're done. Alternatively, manually enter your time by clicking on any day and adding the hour spent. Everhour seamlessly integrates with project management tools like Asana, Trello, Jira, and ClickUp. This embeds time tracking directly into your existing workflows so you don't have to switch between apps. Keep your track time organized by associating it with specific projects and tasks. This is essential for accurate reporting and project costing. Set up project budgets to monitor your spending. Everhour will help you track your progress and ensure you stay within budget. Easily distinguish between billable and non-billable hours, making invoicing a breeze. Track project-related expenses, like travel or software subscriptions, to get a complete picture of your project costs. Generate detailed reports to analyze team productivity and project profitability. These reports provide valuable insights for optimizing your workflow. Create accurate invoices for clients based on track time and expenses with just a few clicks. Use resource planning to manage team workload and ensure even distribution of tasks. Avoid burnout. Simplify time-off requests. Easily track can manage employee vacation and sick leave. For even greater convenience, use the Everhour browser extension to track time across different web applications. To get started with the extension, follow the tutorial in the description.